In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 500 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 5. We know that 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. Now 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 2. Again 2 is less than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. Now 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, the value of 500 divided by 4 is equal to 125, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.